Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
Welcome to Chiang Mai Voices 98 FM, the new sound for your early evening. Tune in daily from 5 to 7 p.m., live, local, and interactive, bringing Chiang Mai together through news, music, culture, and conversations. A show where the city speaks and listens, a place for dialogue and your stories. Chiang Mai Voices 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. Your voice matters here.
Thailand's Update.
Hello, Sawadee Krap. Welcome to Chiang Mai Voices, and you're tuning into our special program on Thailand Update, Business Tourism, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter, your host for this episode, and we'll be exploring the topic of the logistics of success, airport expansion, and city links. Thailand's airport expansion is a strategic push to become a major Southeast Asian aviation and logistic hub, involving massive investments in new terminals like Don Mueang T3, runway upgrades Suvarnabhumi, and integrated infrastructure, high-speed rail, logistics centers to boost tourism, cargo, and economic growth, enhancing connectivity, an ambitious project aiming to double airport capacity by 2032. Such key drivers and goals are regional hub ambition. Thailand aims to compete with established hubs like Singapore, leveraging its strategic location. Economic growth, expansion support tourism, recovery, trade, and create jobs, aligning with national economic targets. Increase capacity. Plans to double overall airport capacity by 2032 to handle booming passenger and cargo traffic. Major airport projects. Suvarnabhumi Airport undergoing phase expansion, phase 2, which is ongoing right now, to boost passenger handling, add gates, and improve systems for a global gateway. Don Mueang Airport, a $1.1 billion third phase, is building a new terminal number 3 and renovating existing ones, aiming for 50 million annual passengers by 2032. Regional airports, significant development at other key airports, including Chiang Mai, to spread economic benefits. Logistical enhancement, infrastructure integration, connecting airports with high-speed rail and mass transits like the SRT Dark Red Line. Cargo logistics focus, developing new cargo terminals, MRO, which stands for maintenance, repair, overhaul, facilities, and leveraging AOT's premium perishable lane for exports. Smart airport concepts, implementing modern technology for immigration, operations, and passenger experience. Economic impact, attracting international airlines and investment. Developing surrounding airport city, concept with hotels, logistic hubs, and commercial zones. Boosting tourism and supporting a revival of travel and logistic businesses. In a sense, Thailand's airport expansion isn't just about planes. It's a comprehensive strategy to build advanced infrastructure, streamline logistics, and position the nation as a vital economic and travel nexus in Asia. Thailand's state-owned airport operator has reported significant passenger growth across its 6 major facilities while unveiling ambitious expansion plans designed to cement the kingdom's position as a regional aviation hub. Airports of Thailand Public Company Limited, short for AOT, announced that its airport collectively served 88.53 million passengers during the first 8 months of fiscal year 2025, representing a 9.2% increase compared to the same period last year. The milestones come from the organization marks its 46th anniversary and accelerate infrastructure development across all facilities. The acting president of AOT said the growth demonstrates the resilience of Thailand's aviation sector and the organization's commitment to enhancing the country's air transport infrastructure to meet international standards. Strong recovery across all airport, which the passenger surge comprised 54.24 million international travelers, up to 10.8%, and 34.29 million domestic passengers, marking a 6.9% increase. Flight operations also expanded significantly, with 544,590 total movements, representing 10.9% growth year on year. As for the international flights, which accounted for 308,777 operations, up to 12.5%, while domestic flights totaled 235,813, which is an increase of 8.9% from the previous year. AOT projects that passenger number will exceed 130 million in the fiscal year of 2026, with more than 859,000 flights anticipated. Cargo and postal volumes are forecast to reach approximately 1.64 million tons. The 6 airports under AOT management include Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, Don Mueang International Airport, DMK, Chiang Mai International Airport, CNX, Mae Fah Luang Chiang Rai International Airport, CEI, Phuket International Airport, HKT, and finally Hat Yai International Airport, HYD. Thailand's AOT report record growth as airport expansions plans accelerate. AOT has also implemented what it terms a world-class hospitality approach, emphasizing exceptional service, quality, and genuine Thai hospitality while maintaining maximum safety standards throughout the passenger journey. Performance data indicates a strong operational efficiency across the network. At Suvarnabhumi Airport, international arrival processing average 21 minutes, with international departure taking 27 minutes. Domestic operations are even more efficient, with arrivals processed in 14 minutes and departures in 15 minutes. Don Mueang International Airport demonstrates similar efficiency level, with international arrivals averaging 21 minutes and departures at 22 minutes. Domestic operations are particularly swift, with arrival process in 8 minutes and departures in 10 minutes. The operator is modernizing airport spaces to create open, bright, and relaxing environments responsive to contemporary passenger lifestyle. Improvements include enhanced terminal zoning, recreation areas, children play zones, comfortable waiting spaces, additional charging stations, and display showcasing Thai and international arts and culture. Other AOT outline are extensive development plans to design to accommodate projected passenger growth across 6 facilities over the coming decade. All right, we'll take a short break. When we come back, more of Business Tourism Thailand Update with Peter. Thank you for tuning in to Chiang Mai Voices at 98 FM. We'll be back shortly after these breaks. Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only. Thailand's Update.
Hello, Sawadee Krap, and welcome back to Chiang Mai Voices on 98 FM, and you're tuning in to our special 30-minute segment of Thailand Update, Business Tourism, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. My name is Peter, your host for this episode, and again, we're exploring the topic of logistics of success, airport expansion, and city links. And now we'll explore how Thailand's logistic hub is shaping the future of freight and cross-border trade. Now, we know as Thailand positions itself as a leading logistic hubs in Southeast Asia, businesses are gaining access to new growth opportunities, backed by rising cross-border trade, logistic innovation, and infrastructure investment. The country is transforming its supply chain landscape. Thailand is targeting 2 trillion baht in cross-border trade annually by 2027, reinforcing its role as a regional logistic hub. E-commerce growth and digital adoption are driving logistics innovation, with nearly 70% of Thai consumers preferring online shopping over traditional retail. Major investments in freight and infrastructure, such as the Eastern Economic Corridor and high-speed rail, are enhancing regional connectivity and business potential. Thailand is rapidly emerging as a leading logistic hub in Southeast Asia, and by August 2024, nearly half of all foreign direct investment in Thailand flowed into logistics sector. In a further sign of its growing competitiveness, Thailand climbed to the 9th place in the 2025 Agility Emerging Market Logistic Index. Now, this momentum is supported by positive shifts in trade. In 2024, Thailand achieved a record of 1.8 trillion baht in cross-border trade, a 6.1% year-on-year increase that exceeded government expectations. Looking ahead, the country is targeting 2 trillion baht in annual trade by 2027, underscoring the logistics sector's critical role in sustaining long-term economic growth. However, global trade dynamics are shifting. Volatile markets, geopolitical uncertainty, and new U.S. tariffs pose risk to supply chains and Thailand's economic outlook. These challenges add complexity to the country's evolving logistics landscape. Yet, Thailand's position as a regional logistic hub continues to present new opportunities in at least 3 key areas. For businesses, understanding these trends is essential to building resilience and maintaining competitiveness. Number 1, e-commerce surge spurs logistic innovation. Thailand's booming e-commerce market is a major driver of logistic innovation. According to the E-Economy SEA 2024 report by Google, Bain, and Temasek, Thailand remains the second largest e-commerce market in Southeast Asia. Its gross merchandise value is projected to grow from USD 26 billion in 2024 to 60 billion USD by 2030. A highly digital consumer base is accelerating this growth. More than 91% of the population is online, and nearly 70% prefer e-commerce over traditional retail, significantly higher than the global average of 55.8%. As more consumers shop online, expectations for seamless experience continue to rise. From checkout to last mile delivery, buyers want speed, convenience, and easy returns. To keep up, companies must prioritize logistic optimization, automating order fulfillment, optimizing delivery routes, enabling real-time tracking, and offering flexible shipping options. Number 2, infrastructure investment power regional connectivity. Thailand is investing heavily in its freight and logistic infrastructure, improving connectivity and creating new business opportunities. Major infrastructure projects are underway, including airport expansions, new ports, and strategic land bridge to improve trade flows. One of the most ambitious developments, the 873-kilometer China-Laos-Thailand high-speed rail, will further boost trade with China. And at the heart of this transformation is the Eastern Economic Corridor, EEC, development plan, which aims to turn Eastern Thailand into a high-tech industrial zone. Key initiatives include expanding Utapao Airport, creating Eastern Aviation City, and building a high-speed rail line linking 3 major airports. These upgrades, along with smart cities initiatives and digital infrastructure improvement, are building a future-ready logistic hub. Number 3, logistic digital transformation strengthens supply chains. To thrive in today's unpredictable environment, businesses need resilient, agile, and efficient supply chains. From changing consumer behavior to global disruptions, digital readiness is essential. Digitalization and automation are essentials to meeting these evolving demands. Technologies like AI, data analytics, and Internet of Things improve supply chain visibility, streamline operations, and enable smarter decision-making. Predictive analytic and real-time tracking further help businesses anticipate disruptions, reduce risk, and enable rapid response. According to McKinsey & Company, early adopters of AI-powered supply chains are reducing logistics costs by 15%, optimizing inventory by 35%, and boosting service levels by 65%. Finally, positioning for long-term success, as Thailand cements its role as a regional trade and logistic hub, businesses must adapt to keep pace with the industry. Despite global challenges, advancement in Thailand's freight and infrastructure, as well as digital technologies, are creating new momentum in cross-border trade. By embracing logistic innovation, investing in logistic digital transformation, and capitalizing on emerging infrastructure, companies can build resilient supply chains and seize new market opportunities. And now for Chiang Mai. So let's dive deep into Chiang Mai and its development plan of the International Airport. Airport of Thailand, AOT, on Thursday officially launched its 10-year development project for Chiang Mai International Airport, aiming to improve its capacity to serve 20 million passengers per year by 2033. Executives of AOT and the airport got together in an event at Wintry City Resort in Chiang Mai province on Thursday to announce the project, its objective, and schedule to partners with potential investors. Leading the seminar session, Deputy Director of Chiang Mai International Airport, who told participants that currently the airport had a maximum capacity of 8 million passengers per year, while the number of passengers before the COVID-19 outbreak showed 11% annual growth. AOT launches Chiang Mai Airport expansion to serve 20 million passengers in a decade. And with over 10 million passengers passing through since 2019, Chiang Mai has become AOT's fourth largest airport, prompting the authority to draft a development plan to further expand its capacity. He also pointed out that the airport saw an increase in passenger traffic because of the fierce competition among low-cost domestic airlines. While most of its foreign arrivals were Chinese tourists looking to travel in the northern region. And during the seminar, participants also learned that AOT had divided the development project of the Chiang Mai Airport into two phases. The first phase, running from 2022 to 2029, will cover feasibility study and environmental impact assessment of the project, as well as construction and improvement of facilities. AOT launches Chiang Mai Airport expansion to serve 20 million passengers in a decade. Finally, Chiang Mai International Airport is located on a 1,605 rai, land of Suthep Sub-District, about 3 kilometers west of Chiang Mai downtown area. The consortium assured the public that two phases of the development project would not expand to the airport area to affect nearby communities. And that'll be all for today's topic, the logistic of success, airport expansion, and city links. Thank you for tuning in to our 30-minute special program on Thailand Update. And you're listening to Chiang Mai Voices on 98 FM. My name is Peter. I'll have to say goodbye for now. And until next episode, take care and have a good night. Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our old top crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. #Thainess. #Thailand only.